Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 20th of December 2018. Okay guys, we have a very good day with trading and I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. So guys, I have supplied the bullish trend in the morning from 113,999 and the target price was 114,319. And guys, you can see we have seen a significant upward trend right in the morning and Euro USD has finally went so much up. But later on we have a drop. However, the target price was already it was touched in the morning. So overall, those subscribers who have taken the trades as per the recommendation of 200forexpips.com, they must have collected a decent profit. Okay, now let's talk about pound USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. I have supplied the bullish signal in the morning from 126,530 and 126,903 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see right from the entry it had started to go up and finally it has touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, that was 126,903. So guys, if you have traded this signal, then you must have collected a massive profit. At next, I'm going to talk about AUD USD. Easy signal was provided in the form of a bullish trend also. 0709881 was the entry and 071306 was the target price. And guys, clearly if you look at the chart, then AUD USD has made a significant upward trend right from the morning, because yesterday we have a drop and today I was looking for a price reversal, and guys, you can clearly see that's a big reversal. This is what we called a big reversal, and with the grace of God we have collected a very good profit with no problems. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, which is the second signal of my signals report. A bullish trend was supplied from 06731 and 067799 was the target price. And guys, right from the entry you can see again the price was reversed as I was expecting on AUD USD, and you can clearly see that the market has went up and we have made a very good number of pips on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF. I'm going to take you towards the signals report first. So USD CHF with a bearish trend from 0.99259 and 0.98980 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop appeared and in the second part of the day the market has moved up. However, our signal was expired because we have seen a big drop, and that drop was predicted by us in the morning with a bearish trend. Okay, and at next let's talk about the USD Canadian Dollar. Let me switch my chart. Okay guys. Okay, the signal is here with a bearish trend from 134,882 and 134,497 was the target price. And guys, you can see today we have seen a significant drop on USD Canadian Dollar that met the target price. So if you have traded USD Canadian Dollar, then you must have taken a very good profit. Okay guys, the pound was very deceptive today. However, we have done scalping in the morning. 141700 was the entry, and guys, you can see just it went a few pips up from the entry, and we have just done scalping on this pair, and later on it was losing the momentum, so we had to close the trade. So we had to got out of the trade. So if you have traded this one during the scalping, then it might have given the profit. Otherwise I'm not sure, but it is possible that it must hit the stop loss of the rest of the traders. Okay, now let's talk about the Euro JPY. I'm going to take you towards the signal report. So 127709 was the bullish entry and 128123 was the target price. And guys, clearly you can look at here, we have seen a significant upward trend right in the morning and it hit the target price with no problem. So the signal was already expired few hours ago, but later on we have a drop, but we have nothing to do with this because we have already taken the profits. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. I was expecting a reversal. 79444 was the bullish entry, and guys, you can see that 5 hours, 1 2 3 4 5 hours, we have seen the upward trend on AUD JPY, and finally it has moved up. But later on you can say that the signal was hit 60%, but later on we have a drop. However, we have nothing to do with the drop because we have already done with the good profits on AUD JPY. Okay guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, like look at this candle, it went into the top red boundary, then it received the downward pressure. That was the best time to sell the pair because the market was getting the rejection from the top red boundary. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and if it is making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. And if the scalper points you with a white arrow to buy the pair into the lower red boundary, then it means that it is indicating you to buy the pair. And when it indicates the red arrow at the top red boundary or blue boundary, it indicates that you need to sell the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all these please send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.